This refreshing cilantro tomato pasta salad goes well with any Mexican-inspired dish. It is a simple yet healthy dish done in under 30 minutes. With the cooked strozzapreti pasta in a bowl, add the arugula, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, lime juice, cilantro, granulated sugar, salt, and ground black pepper. Gently mix together to combine. Then, let it chill for at least 15 minutes before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.